Delete is a self-explanatory method type. It should be used for deleting a resource. In this short lecture, we'll create an endpoint to delete a specific booking ID. Go ahead, pause the lecture, and try to build it yourself. Okay, so our endpoint summary is simply delete a booking. So booking ID is our only parameter. It uniquely identifies a resource, so this is going to be another dynamic route. There won't be any query parameters here. Let's go straight to our serializer annotation, and it's going to be unboxed JSON. And that's because, again, we'll simply return a string stating that the booking has been deleted, or it hasn't been deleted for some reason. Method type, of course, it's delete, and I'll call the endpoint bookings slash and then the booking ID, which is an integer. Okay, it has one parameter, the path parameter booking ID. Do we need to verify whether it's empty? No. Do we need to verify whether it's an integer? No. We should verify that booking ID is a genuine booking ID, and then we'll implement the logic to delete the booking and return the message to the user. So again, I'm going to copy the logic from our previous currency updating endpoint, and I'll change it here. So verify that booking ID is a valid booking ID. Logic for, well, not storing this time, we're actually deleting data. If it's successful, we'll return the statement booking ID has successfully deleted, or has been successfully deleted. Otherwise, error in update in deleting booking. Please try again. Okay, let's try this out. Restart our API once more. It's a method type we haven't used before, so I'll type this out from scratch. The method type is delete. Now our URL, and now our route. So that's bookings slash booking ID, which is an integer. I'll just say 789. And we get, in a string rather than an array, booking ID 789 has been successfully deleted. Great. These other method types are pretty simple after all. In the next lecture, we're going to discover a new form of parameters and in which cases they should be used. Buckle yourself in,